Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I want to attempt to do a fall look but with a reverse eyeshadow, and you'll see what I mean by that. But let's go ahead and just jump in and get started. I've already done my face, so I'm still using the NYX. I'm trying to use it up because the bottle is now open. I don't want it to dry out, so I've been using that this week to do my makeup so that I can use that up. I'll buy a fresh new bottle later, but I want to get into this look. Before we get into the look though, make sure you go down, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, like the video, and leave a comment for me on what you want to see next. All right, so let's get started and we'll see how this turns out. So first I'm going to go in to my crease, and I'm trying to think how I want this to turn out. I've never done a reverse eyeshadow look, so this will be my first try, my first attempt. I only saw a picture of it, and I don't have the picture in front of me, so it's just by memory. So first I'm going to start by building in the crease colors. I'm actually using two palettes today. Let me show you that. So the first palette is the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette because it has the orange and the yellow in here. Since I'm going for fall, the look will be like orange yellow, and I think I'll put some brown in there. And then I'm going to use the Morphe 24A Artist Pass, and this was the collaboration they did with Saweetie. And it's because it has that green in there that I want to use. So the theme of the look is kind of like a changing of the leaves. So, you know, the leaves go from like the green to the orange and yellow and brown. So that's what I'm going for. We shall see. This color that I'm using right now from the Jaclyn Hill palette is called G Money. Now I'm going to take the orange in the palette that's called Feeling Myself and just blend that in next to G Money. So my crease will go from brown to, no, I'm losing some of the brown here. Let me add that back in. My crease will go from brown to orange to yellow. The yellow in from the palette, which is called No Joke. It should be up in the corner on one of these sides. So far, so good. Just make sure the orange and the yellow blend in together, and then the brown and the orange are blending in up here. Now I am going to cut my crease. I'm just using cut crease canvas. I always use this to cut my crease, or the NYX, but I can't find the NYX one, so let's cut my crease. we are going to, because I did the yellow on the outside, I'm now going to take the yellow on the inside. Orange, feeling myself in the middle. And I saw this eyeshadow look on, it was on Pinterest. I don't know if anyone still uses Pinterest, but I do. And now I'm going to take the brown that I was using, G Money, and I'm going to pat that on the outer edge. I'm just making sure the orange is blending with both. Okay, and I feel like I might have to go back into my crease later, but anyway, now I'm going to take this again because let me see if I have eyeliner. I actually have a yellow and an orange eyeliner. I just need a brown. I think I have a brown in here somewhere. Chocolate. Actually, let's try to use that. If that doesn't work, I will have to basically create the eyeliner, the line with the white, and then go in. So since I used the yellow on the inner corner, I'm now going to take the chocolate for the inner corner, and then the orange will stay in the middle, and then do the brown. Kind of like the top, like my crease where I did the brown, the orange, the yellow. I'm basically doing that for my, I don't know how long I've had this. This is, I don't know where I got this. It says DLS Cosmetics Bang Beauty Chocolate Gel Eyeliner. Feels a little dry. I don't know where I got it or if this is gonna be any good. I don't think so. No. Okay, so for this part, let me throw this in the trash. For this part, I'm going to take the cut crease, this, and I'm going to just use this. Hopefully the orange and the yellow show up. Take a smaller brush here, dip it into this brown. take this ColourPop in the color Puppy gel liner. This is still nice and creamy. I haven't used these, so. Gel liner. So back to, let me try to take the eyeshadow, feeling myself over it so that it pumps. Take a darker brown. Let me see if the Sweetie palette doesn't have a darker brown. I have a pink palette sitting up here. Actually taking the Revolution London Forever Flawless palette. There's like a deep shade up there. I'm gonna see if I can make this brown pop. Okay. Now let's go in with the yellow eyeliner. Going to use the same brush I used for the orange. This is ColourPop as well in the color Punch. They aren't showing up. We're going to have to go over that as well. Let me just try to clean that off and use this brush. And I'm just taking the yellow, No Joke, from the palette. Put some mascara on. This was almost good. I don't know. I feel like the eyeliner part didn't show up the way I wanted it to. But let's keep moving. We are going to do the pop of green in like my under eye. Okay, just down here because this is a changing of the leaves, and this is a green from the 24A Artist Pass palette. It's called Green Room. the eyeliner, for my waterline, I'm going to use the Cream Gel Liner by ColourPop. This is Electric Daisy. So this is the look. This is how it came out. I want to do my bottom lashes. Okay, so this is what the eye look is looking like. My lipstick, I'm just going to throw on this same gel liner Charmer from ColourPop. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Verona. Over top of that, I'm going to use this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. This is in HD Forever, number 645. Okay, so not too much going on the lip, but that's because my eyes are a little bit what I consider to be like loud with the pop of green and the orange and yellow and the brown. So this for me is like a changing of the leaves look. I tried to do a reverse eyeshadow look. I don't think you can really tell, like the colors aren't really popping the way I had imagined them to, but this is a look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget before you leave to comment down below, subscribe, and share the video, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.